Trisha, do you have a pickup line for Christoph?
Ang social naman ng dalawa. Grabe. Tara yung show. Nagulat yung mga tao. Kala nila showtime ni Nickelodeon pala to. Grabe. Kala namin showtime ni Nickelodeon. Wala.
Tinanong ko lang naman.
Ang ganda. Klumas.
Oh, Trisha, do you have a pickup line for Christoph?
Of course I do.
Gosh, of course she does.
Of course, para mga characters sa Sesame Street na nag-uusap mo. Sige, pahabaan niyo pa.
Sunny days.
Usap kayo.
Yeah,
Well,
Trisha-
from Canada to
To the
America.
US. Yeah, Trisha, was your first boyfriend from America or was he Filipino as well?
No, he was from America. He was actually from Florida.
He was from Florida.
Yes.
It's one of... Oh, may madlang people na taga Florida po.
Pampanga yata yung Florida, Pampanga yan. Oo. Naapektuhan pa ng pinatubo dati yan, yung Florida, Pampanga. Sino yung taga Florida, Pampanga?
Ayan si ma'am. TFC subscriber po kayo.
GMA
Yes
Pinoy
po.
TV.
Oh, hi, thank you so much.
Thank you for visiting us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go
From
back.
Nickelodeon to DFC.
Let's go back to Trisha and Darren. Come on.
Okay, so would you say that, you know, the boyfriend you're looking for is more on Filipino or American type?
I've actually always been into Filipinos, so I think this is the good time to discover if, you know, because dating Americans didn't work out, so maybe Filipinos is where I end up.
Oh, pusong Pinoy pa rin ang hanap ni Trisha.
Yes.
Naintindihan namin, Darren. Grabe siya. Trinanslate sa atin ni Darren.
Grabe,
My goodness. What do you think of us? Thinking of you? Wow, bago. Ang luma!
80s pa yun ah!
Ang luma! Ano joke? What
know
do you think
that?
of us?
Yeah.
Thinking of you?
Okay, let's go back to the search. Trisha, you have pick-up line for Christoph?
Yes, of course.
Oh, ang galing na. Oh my God, I commend you for that, ha? Yeah. Every now and then, your English is developing and developing, ha? My goodness.
I'm trying. I want to go to New York. Just to
Yeah.
study, you know.
Keep up the GW.
What's CW?
Keep up the good work. Okay, Tisha, what's your pick-up line? Pupunta na sa Sesame Street talaga.
Sunny. Go, Trisha.
Christoph, teacher ka ba?
Why?
Turuan mo naman ako paano kita mahalin.
Grabe.
Napagkaroon si Christoph.
Sabi niya, why?
Nag-adjust din.
Yes.
Yan ang maganda, yung nag-a-adjust ka.
Yes, but